More than this.
Simon, son of Jonah. We love more than these.
You said you'd ride, said you'd stand, but fear crept in, you chose a crowd over me. 3 times you turned, 3 times you hid, but love came back right where you live. Not to expose you, not to shame, but to call you back by your name. Not condemnation, not defeat, but restoration in the street. What has your heart?
What took my place?
What are you holding?
You won't replace.
Do you love me more than these?
More than you feel.
More than what they see.
More than your goals, your plans, your dreams.
Do you love me more than these? I'm the love you've been searching for, the one you so can't ignore. Lay it down, come follow me.
Do you love me
more than these?
There's an image I made of you, a life designed before you knew. You rearranged what I drew. Now I'm calling that truth out of you.
You met yourself and paused the call, afraid someone would see it all, but I still chose you. Even then, I'm calling you to rise again.
There was an assignment before you redesigned yourself. You took the paintbrush and created another path, not understanding its desire was to draw you away from my love and protection.
So what's between us? What are you serving? What has your heart?
What are you not willing to surrender?
And do you love me more than these?
More than approval,
More than worldly security.
more than the comfort you try to keep.
Do you love me more than these? Do you love me? Do you love me?
Do you love me?
Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me?
Feed my sheep.
Do you love me?
Do you love me?
Do you love me?
Feed my lamb.
Do you love me? Let me restore you. Oh, feed my sheep. Let me heal you.
My child, do you love me? Let me call you back into the restored place.
My love is greater. My love will cover you. I am the love
You've been looking for.
I am the goal
You've been chasing.